This tiny BenQ GS50 projector slaps hard. Outdoor movie nights will never be the same. You know that crushing feeling when your outdoor movie night turns into a total flop? Blurry visuals, muffled sound, streaming glitches, and a setup that takes forever. Been there? Yeah, same. We've all lugged those clunky projectors outside just to be let down by dull displays and speakers that sound like they're underwater. And don't even get us started on trying to align the screen straight on uneven ground while swatting bugs. The truth? Most portable projectors promise big, but deliver weak. You're frustrated. You're over it. You just want something that works, something that turns your backyard into a full-blown cinematic escape. Here's where it really stings. Time's ticking, the popcorn's ready, the kids are getting antsy, and the projector's still searching for signal. Missed moments. Lost memories. Another night wasted. Your friends are awkwardly checking their phones, the vibe's tanking, and you're secretly panicking behind your smile. Even worse? You spent good money on a so-called portable projector that couldn't light up a tent, let alone a backyard. The stress is real, whether you're trying to wow a date, calm the kids, or just unwind after a long week. Movie nights are supposed to be magical. Instead, you get a technical mess that kills the mood. Enter the BenQ GS50, the wireless outdoor projector that actually delivers. Think of it as your personal movie theater, with bass. This beast boasts true 1080p Full HD, HDR10 color that pops, 500 lumens of balanced brightness, and 2.1 channel 20-watt speakers with a 10-watt woofer that'll shake your campsite, in a good way. Thanks to its autofocus and Keystone correction, you'll get a crisp, perfectly aligned screen in seconds, even on uneven terrain. Whether you're camping, chilling in the backyard, or pulling off the ultimate van life date night, the GS50 doesn't just show up, it shows off. Rugged, splash-proof, drop-resistant, and ridiculously easy to use. It's not just a projector, it's a whole vibe. With the GS50, it's not just about watching, it's about feeling every scene. From roaring explosions to quiet whispers, that built-in woofer hits. Built on Android TV, you get Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and thousands of apps, no extra gear needed. You can even use it as a Bluetooth speaker, or cast your phone via AirPlay or Chromecast. And yes, it's got game mode with 22.7 milliseconds input lag. Whether you're a movie buff, parent, gamer, or backyard party king, this little beast simplifies everything. Streamlined setup. Reliable connectivity. Epic nights on demand. Don't settle for pixel soup. Dive into buttery visuals and booming audio. Tap the link now to see the GS50 in full action. This ain't your average projector, and stock won't last. Thousands of adventurers, campers, and movie junkies already made the switch, and they're raving. Don't wait till the next movie night ruins the vibe. The BenQ GS50 is built tough, sounds wild, and works wherever you want to chill. Risk? None. Joy? Maximum. Life's too short for pixelated regrets and party killers. Smash that button, grab yours, and turn every night into an unforgettable experience. Only a limited number available right now. So don't sleep on this, seize the screen, own the night, and flex like a cinematic boss.